Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration AK62 KPL, 2012 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 155 PS low roof D/cab limited L2 van. It's done 87,000 miles and has a full service history with 11 service stamps. It is in immaculate condition. It is a factory-fitted LWB 6-seater crew van. The van comes with air conditioning, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, DAB radio, heated seats, privacy glass, roof bars, a tow bar, heated screen, alloys, and it has nice quality seats with a nice quality steering wheel cover. A super clean low mileage example of a LWB crew cab with a top service record. It has never worked and has only ever been privately owned with not a scratch or chip on it. The paintwork's immaculate. Full MOT full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01888548888. We are located in HEREFORDSHARE, postcode HR7 4TF.